How are you all doing? Welcome back to Crypto Blitz, where you can get all of your cryptocurrency needs met. I am Ripple Ben Winkle, your host. I hope that today is fantastic for everyone. Monday marks the beginning of a new work week. It doesn't thrill me, the 13th of January, but guess what? The decision about whether the Ripple vs. SEC case will be appealed is just 2 days away. Donald Trump will take office in 7 days, and Gary Gensler will be removed. That is, he will remove himself 8 days from now. But we all know that man was ordered to resign. We will now discuss the markets in this video. We are going to discuss the future of XRP. Here is where you want a slight retracement. Once again, Bitcoin is at the top of the decline. We'll also discuss Bitcoin because, as you may recall, it goes before everything else. Additionally, we will read a statement, discuss it, and discuss how real-world tokenization will begin, as well as how real-world assets will be tokenized on the first day. Next, we'll examine the 9 billion XRP that has been traded during the past day. Without further ado, take a seat, unwind, and let's dive into a Bitcoin 91250, $48, that has down 3.29% over the last day, pulling the market as a whole down with it. Ethereum is down 5.39%, closing at $3,079. Since we were doing so well at maintaining that $2.50 level, XRP's dropped 5% to $2.37. 176, Cardano's down big, was just a little over $1, and Solana is also suffering. It is down 8.61% from recent lows under the headline Low Interest Rate Loans. Walgreens offers triple 3.3% free dollar dividend payments, and was in the process of being rolled out to the market for loans. Look, everything is down. Seller, HBAR, SUI is down. Everything is down. Chainlink, whatever you want, it's down. Why is it not working? There is just one reason why Bitcoin is down, and I will tell you why. The rest of the market is being dragged down by Bitcoin. As you can see, the kwon playbook is quite straightforward. There will be another one down here for Bitcoin. This is the down, in my opinion. The movement is this. How far down do we go? We have the Bitcoin chart, which I will attempt to shoot. I will, however, reveal it to you. We'll review, but first, let's look at Bitcoin declines. Bull run, all run, people kick and scream, and it pulls the rest of the market down. It's over. Trump enters office, leaves, and completes his month-long tasks. Bitcoin achieves a new record. Hello, I'm looking at that. It's clear they're running out of time, and I believe that's as straightforward as the playbook gets. Therefore, at this moment, they had to drag Bitcoin through the woodworks. But you know what? We're going to ascend. It's amazing that XRP was able to move on its own, and everything is going to get better. Consider that before Bitcoin took off, XRP was able to move on its own. The more XRP rises presently, the more Bitcoin rises, the higher it will get. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is also declining. At $3.18 trillion, I never imagined that we would be speculating that we would fall below $3 trillion. We should monitor that. Cointelegraph released this. Analysts said that January's Bitcoin dumping is not unusual in post-halving years. Bitcoin prices could drop from their current levels if there is a 130% move, like there was in the previous cycle's peak year, before the end of 2025, to more than $200,000. This is just more evidence that the bull run is continuing to last this year. I'll blow this up. 2017 is seen over here on the left. Everything that took place in January is clearly visible. We experienced a significant correction that fell from roughly $1,200 to the $800 range. The bull run was believed to be over. We are aware of how the remainder of the year transpired. Bitcoin was slightly above 41K at the start of the 2021 bull run, but it dropped to about 34.5. We know how the bull run went, as in January it was at about 0.000, but it then dropped to that 900.00 region. You know what happens after that? Bitcoin is going to go crazy in Q1, so expect that $120,000 to $130,000 number to appear on the market, people, says Salesforce.com/exclusions. Only certain Bitcoin will be removed from the feeds. Look, Bitcoin has a very bold future this year and in the near future. The finish line is not far away. The 1 day and the 1 month still appear to be optimistic, but this is your Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour super bearers. As you can see, not so long ago, on the 9th, we had a reversal. We went sideways and had this lovely fat red candle down. This is what will occur. Bitcoin will reach the $90,000 mark. Would it fall into the 80s even more? I don't see it dipping, but it might. I don't think it will be too short or too deep. However, the market will reverse to the upside after we enter this thick green wave, which crosses the range of 90400 to 85700. It's that easy. That's all. As you can see, we had the reversal up here, and that is what we are searching for. What transpired was that the price dropped. On the 9th, we saw the reversal down here and the price rose again. We will soon witness a reversal. Bitcoin will now release its hold on XRP. What is it doing? Over the weekend, however, we moved into the large, thick red bands. We experienced a slight price reversal and were unable to break out over 260. The reversal is still occurring at this time. Red is used to outline this. It would have been encouraging to see this outline in green, which is what we want. How far can she go? That 217 level we discussed. Perhaps 205. It's not going under there in my opinion. The thick green bottom, after all, costs roughly $1.97. We frequently discuss $1.97. We frequently discuss $1.97 on this channel. I simply don't see it taking place. I don't see it taking place. The markets as a whole must turn around. That's what we're searching for. To remain bullish at this time, we must maintain our position above this green bar. Literally, we are seated at 235. On this, we received some assistance. Support under 232, sitting there, around 225. Well, let's hope it holds here. It would be lovely if we could hold over 232, where our support is. After that, we can turn back to the top. However, we just have a few more days left. And if we do not learn whether the SEC will appeal, if they do not appeal, and if this case is finally coming to a close, I will tell you now that in 2 days, you will see this thing soar back up to the upside and reach that 250 to 260 zone.